Dajahaw, ni hao, welcome back to Bug's Kitchen channel, and today's video we're going to cook Douban Taitang or watercress soup and blanched watercress. So there are two ways of cooking this. Our main ingredients here are Douban Thai or watercress and 1/8 kilogram of sliced pork or lean meat. In a casserole, add 1 liter of water, bring to boil. When water is already boiling, add the meat, cook it for 10 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of chicken powder or MSG. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/2 tablespoon of shenkang vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of sesame oil, add 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, and we're going to add a watercress vegetable. Add blanch it for 1 to 2 minutes, it depends on its volume. And now it's done. And put it on a plate, and there you have it. This leafy vegetables is also good for hugo or steamboat, or sometimes they called it tapino here in Hong Kong. For the sauce, I mixed light soy sauce, vinegar, and chili oil. And it's so yummy. I am not fond of drinking soup, so I prefer blanched. So I hope you also like this if you're gonna try this one. And this is our soup. You can put directly on your small bowl. And there you have it. I hope you like our recipe for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless everyone. Bye.